Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. How to cook tasty beef liver. Clean and slice 2 pounds of beef liver. Season with 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, adjust to taste, and 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Mix thoroughly with clean hands. Add 6 tablespoons of canola oil to a pan. Fry 1 large Idaho potato sliced into cubes until golden brown. Then set it aside. Coat the liver with 1 tablespoon of flour and fry for 3 minutes. Add cloves of garlic sliced. One large sliced onion. Add sweet green peas and carrots sliced into cubes, about half a cup. Stir well. Incorporate 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce or soy sauce. Reintroduce the fried potatoes. Add sliced green scallions. Sprinkle some pepper flakes. Ready to serve. My grandfather used to say, if you can't afford steak, Beef liver is the closest thing to it. Enjoy. Hope you liked my video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.